The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
Well, I think having a copper project is one of the very few new copper discoveries in Europe that has the potential to be in production in the near term, so when it's going to be most needed. So copper is on the critical materials list in Europe. That's a great benefit for us. This has the potential to be copper produced in Europe and smelted in Europe, which is great.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me in the studio today is Tim Moody. He's President and CEO of Pan Global Resources. Tim, very good to have you in the studio. For investors new to the story, give us a quick introduction to Pan Global and its focus on Spain.
Okay, yeah, so Pan Global is a Canadian listed company, primarily involved in copper and gold exploration in Spain. We have an advanced copper discovery. We'll have a resource out this year, and a new gold discovery, and an excellent portfolio of other targets where we expect to make new discoveries.
Well, looking at the one project, that's the Cármenes, it looks exciting. What makes the Providencia target stand out compared with your other prospects?
Yes, so we were originally interested in some old mines which had very high grades of copper, cobalt and nickel. It's an area that had no exploration for a long period of time. We've just completed the first round of drilling and first systematic exploration there, and looks like we've made a new gold discovery, which is probably one of the first genuine new gold discoveries in Spain for decades.
I mean, you reported also high grades of copper, cobalt, nickel, and as you mentioned, gold. How do these results impact the potential scale and value of Cármenes?
Good question. So the very high grades of copper, nickel and cobalt have been sort of verified with some of the underground sampling we've been doing, which has shown that the mineralisation is still open for expansion. So that forms a very nice core to the Providencia target, but it's the discovery of gold in the sort of surrounding that is giving us the volume. So at the moment it is about a 300 metre by 150 metre surface dimension, completely open at depth in all directions, and we're trying to work out what the geometry is. So.
And of course the discovery of gold at current prices must be quite exciting for the company.
Well, that's right. I mean, we were better known as a copper exploration company, so the discovery of gold through diligent exploration has been a real bonus for us, and attracted a whole set of new eyes, particularly the gold, people who like gold. So it's been a great win for us.
Tim, drilling underway at Providencia at the moment. What are you hoping to confirm with this ongoing program, and when can investors expect results?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we've actually completed the maiden drill program. There'd been no drilling there before. We're waiting for results for one hole, but already with the results we've got, 36 metres of 3 grams gold, which is a very good intersection near surface, that we're already planning to follow up with an additional perhaps 3 or 4 drill holes.
Turning to your flagship Escacena project, where does the La Romana resource and the upcoming maiden mineral resource estimate fits into your growth plans?
Yeah, so the Escacena project is our flagship. That's where we made our first discovery. It's a significant copper discovery in the famous Iberian Pyrite Belt. All of the big mines are made of clusters of deposits, so not just one. But so this is the first one. But it de-risks the investment for new investors, because we have something of value that's likely to be a mine and could be a mine in short term. So I think that's a great start. And then we have all this upside in the area around. So a lot of focus on making new discoveries in the surrounding area as well.
Tim, copper and critical metals in strong demand at the moment. How's Pan Global positioned to benefit from these long-term trends, and particularly the move towards electrification and the energy transition?
Well, I think having a copper project is one of the very few new copper discoveries in Europe that has the potential to be in production in the near term, so when it's going to be most needed. So copper is on the critical materials list in Europe. That's a great benefit for us. This has the potential to be copper produced in Europe and smelted in Europe, which is great.
And really a tier 1 jurisdiction.
It's an excellent jurisdiction for mining. Southern Spain, it's a long history of mining, and of course Spain is one of the 2 countries, I think, which is now more than 50% renewable energy as part of its energy mix. Lots of solar power. etc. So I think given Europe's move away from fossil fuels, I think we're very well positioned having a copper project. And we have some tin as well, which is also fits into the whole renewable energy story.
Any upcoming milestones that your investors should be looking out for?
Yes, more drill results from both our maiden discovery, which we're looking to expand and add grade and tonnes and so on. The mineral resource estimate, which should be out before the end of the year, which should be a very important milestone for us. And the ongoing drilling at this new exciting gold discovery up in the north. So there's plenty to look out for.
Well, I hope you'll keep us updated with your progress. Thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you very much.
Tim Moody is President and CEO of Pan Global Resources.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.